I'll keep holding on. You say your friends and your family could never take a man like me.